So I'll select a project, underwriting project, and the batch, and I'll select UWSO because the UWJO is not working. So I'll select this guy, and I will, just to say, I'll select the input file, and that's my input file, which will be having the test cases wherein we will be creating a new quotation with multiple risk. So two vehicle information, two vehicle details we will be adding in that quotation, and then we will try to approve it till approval. We will be doing from quotation creation till approval, and then we will know whether it is assigned to, whether this guy alone can approve it. Otherwise, we will do log in with UWMA and approve. So I got the landing page of underwriting module, and then I'll click on new button so that the new page comes up. So the application takes some time to move to the next page. Okay, so now we got the new page, and we are selecting the flag type here. That is the classic thing. And then customer type we will select, which is customer. And yeah, so the customer has been selected. And then the policy holder it will select. Okay, so customer, that's customer number I have entered here, and it has selected the customer. Processor information is again that same LOV process we are following, and again selecting this guy. Okay, then the source we are saying broker as our source, and then we have to select the broker information. So this broker information will take some time to search the value. So that's why it is currently little in a pause manner. So for the next step, we have given a wait time so that our test execution happens correctly. So yes, it has moved to the next page, and yeah, it has selected the broker, and we have to now click on save button. Okay, and see the quotation number also got generated. You can see here successfully event completed, and the quotation number is got created. Now we will input our risk details and vehicle. I'll add vehicle information. Now I'll select the vehicle code, the model, the make, and the color. All this information we will select. This particular vehicle section, actually it is like a separate frame. It is very different what we observed. It is like one document, one HTML document, a separate HTML document embedded in a main HTML document, and it like worked as a frame. So this was really very different what we observed when we were trying to automate this. And also it takes time, this vehicle section, and whenever to populate this or to load this page, some time lag is there. So we have given, so you can see switch frame, switch frame we have used here. Then only, otherwise we were not able to access the elements of that section. So using that switch frame it was possible. And now we are selecting the vehicle type, private car, and all that it is selecting. then engine information, and what is this, something up to is there, yeah, CC, engine CC, yes. And then vehicle type, now manufacturing year information, okay. Number of passengers, you can see here. Okay, it's fast than me. Oh, okay. And then the chassis number, for chassis number also, this was again a problem. You have to give unique chassis number, otherwise it was not working. So we used a random number. Even the engine number also, same issue, correct or not. And now we will see the risk cover details. Okay, so you can see the risk cover details has come up. Sum assured, we can see 15,000. And now we're trying to just edit it. And then there's some details error came. And then again, we will try to save it because it was not saved. So now it got saved successfully. And we are checking the loading, the discount loading thing. So every time we are simply just going to edit, verifying the values, and closing the ribbon, whether everything is greater than 0 or not. So that kind of a validation we are checking. So that is one thing. And now what? So we're checking the policy charges here. Okay, policy charges is done. And now we will again click on the risk details, and we will try to add another vehicle. Okay, so this is second risk we are adding. So the same steps of vehicle and the driver details we need to. Okay, and then this policy charge we are checking. That is, then we're checking whether policy fee and all that is there or not. Individually, each and everything we're trying to verify. And once this is done, we will try to check the PSV, it's details. We'll see whether the values, everything is correct or not, greater than any value we can give. Right now, we've just given greater than 1 because we were not knowing what value to really check. So closing, it has closed this. Now it comes this DMS thing that was required, and trying to select the drop down, and we'll attach the file here. And this file attachment, uploading the file takes some time. So it's not like, it will not open a file browser, but directly it fetches from the path, that path we have given, and then it will just upload the file. And so this takes time. Some little bit of lag is there in this selecting this drop down and all that. So we can, okay.
Yeah, in the meantime, if you have any questions, you can ask. We'll try to explain.
Yeah. So this is a different frame. You can see the switch frame here. And then we are selecting the file. This is the data. The file we will be embedding in our input file. And then that file gets converted into a path, and then it moves. It gets uploaded. Okay, so it's executing, but yeah, it will take some time. And then this upload document click is there. and then it uploads the file, and it comes back to the same screen, and then
Negative scenarios.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so here one failed test case, I mean, you can see. So what we will do, we will open the zip file, and we can see which test case got failed and why.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my test execution report, which contains everything. Okay. So I'll just quickly see the fail thing. So here you can see, in the input data, actually you can mention that what is, for example, here I'm trying to validate the values in the vehicle section. Can you see this?
Yeah.
The vehicle name, I'm expecting vehicle name to be Mercedes, and so it is matching. So this particular value, this column J, is being populated, is being fetched from the screen. Okay, from the
Okay.
screen, whatever value is present on the each field, that it will, it will show. So here it is matching, so hence it is pass. And this one, because deliberately what I've done is I've made it, instead of 5 3, I've mentioned 3 5.
Okay.
Okay, so it is not matching, so it is failed. It's similarly like this. So you can put your whatever is the expected data, that you can mention in your input file. Okay, and then what system will do? System will retrieve the values from that field, and then will try to match with the